Hello everybody and welcome back. Today just a quick bit of code for you. We're going to open a file and we're going to read it. Very simple, just a few lines of code. So let's start. F is equal to open and we're going to open a file. I've already created this and it's called openme.txt. I've already created this file and it's in my Python folder. So now we're just going to print it. So it's going to be f.read, okay, and then finally f.close, because we always want to close the file after that. Okay, now all we do is we just save it here and then we run the module. There you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. We've just read from a file. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. 3 lines of code to do that. Not bad at all. Remember to give it a big thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.